This week, we'll talk about the spinal cord. The spinal cord, along with the brain, is part of the central nervous system. Those two make up the central nervous system. And the spinal cord is the long cord that goes down in your vertebrae and is important for both conduction of information. So we talked about action potentials in nervous tissue last week. Those action potentials are going to occur in the spinal cord, in those axons of the neurons to allow information to be conducted from the spinal cord out to the periphery or vice versa. Also brain to spinal cord and vice versa. So there's several different pathways that we'll talk about. Along with conduction, the spinal cord also is important for integration. So it's an integrator in terms of a reflex pathway or a response pathway. It's able to take in information and then have a response occur or not if response isn't necessary. So that kind of control center or integrator. So neural integration is going to occur in the spinal cord. And those two things, both conduction and integration, are both a part of reflexes. So we'll talk about several reflex pathways this week in terms of responses to the environment that occur primarily in the spinal cord without even your brain being involved. So the knee-jerk reflex is an example of a simple reflex that occurs with integration happening only in the spinal cord.